There's a mattress pump. Follow it, the air hose, into where we secured it with duct tape, into a heavier flex pipe with a tin foil wrapped around it to seal it. Going up into a rotor to his Dodge truck. And there's another rotor upside down inside this giant tractor trailer truck drum inside. And then there's a plate with the sand and holes drilled in the plate, so when the blower blows it heats up the coal, keeps it burning hot. Well, we cleaned out the inside of the forge, and these are the holes we drilled in the top of a big propane tank cover, and then we put sand or dirt all the way around it to kind of insulate it and keep it steady. And also on the bottom of the rotor that's in there to create a good seal. And we got our little anvil here, or railroad track piece we got from a friend. We couldn't find a anvil yet, or some of our tools, and we're going to start the wood fire, and then we're going to throw the old coal that didn't burn in there, and then we got our bag and some more bags of coal ready. We try to utilize the fire the best we can. Layer it with a bunch of paper crinkled up. That's James over there. Split up a bunch of starter wood, kindling to get it going before we throw the coal in. My brother firmly believes, and once you start a fire, you make sure it starts by using excessive amounts of gasoline. We turn on the air because the first time we lit it, we didn't turn it on, and the fumes were inside the forge. Kaboom! And voila! The start of it all. You can hear the flames going and the pump going. Watch what happens when he turns off the pump. The sound goes away and it just fires. Okay, hit it again. Nice hot coals going, then we're gonna, once the kindling wood starts to burn off, we throw the coal on top, and then we put more kindling on top just to get the coals hot as we can, as quick as we can, so we can start hammering away. It takes a while for the coal to really kick in good, but once it gets going, it doesn't stop. We melted a railroad spike in about less than a minute, right in half, because the fire was too hot and right over one of the holes. Matter of fact, I think right here, my brother put it in, took it out about a minute later, and oh, look what happened. Okay, we're going to test the fire now, see if it's hot enough, see if we got enough coal started. Grab one of our spikes. Burning. Yep, you can see the coal burning there, nice and red. Yep. Okay, he's gonna be pulling the nail out. We don't have conventional tools or the old blacksmith tools. He likes to detail the pommel of the spike first. holes there.